AceMicromatic International, the export entity of AceMicromatic Group, is making leaps and bounds in the European market. As the dates for EMO Hannover 2025 are approaching, Mr. Raguramachandran, CEO of AceMicromatic International, is joining me here today to talk about the company's participation in the upcoming trade fair, along with its local presence in the European markets. Europe has long been a benchmark for precision engineering and advanced manufacturing. Could you please let us know how AceMicromatic International is positioning itself globally in order to meet the requirements of this highly evolved market?
See, nature of global manufacturing is changing. It is not only about input and output, not only about the productivity, it is more about sustainable productivity which we are looking at. AceMicromatic Group with AceMicromatic International, we are pivoting with a highly reliably productive machines, which underlines and highlights about sustainable productivity with higher productivity of component with reduced cost per component. With this, we are handholding our customers with connected machines, with appropriate loading of IoT, Industry 4.0, with a layer of AI. That's where we feel that we will make a lot of differences to the customer in Europe and also globally.
So how is AMI expanding its reach in Europe, especially with the established facility in Nesselwang, Germany?
Our presence in Germany is little over 20 years. We have been expanding our facility. When we started initially, we started with as a branch office, further upgraded with a wholly owned subsidiary, and then enhanced our facility to handle more number of service calls, repairs, and also reach to the customer. To add to that, we are in the process of further expansion by having our own showroom, by having our machines in the showroom as a demo center where the dealers and customers will have a hands-on experience, touch and feel before they procure our machines.
In order to strengthen and deepen the partnerships and collaboration in Europe, what sort of efforts is AMI taking towards this?
The model which we are operating globally as a hub and spoke model. With Germany is a pivot now. Moving forward, we would be establishing our own centers in Italy, also in other parts of Europe. These centers will provide hands-on experience and demonstration to the customer before he takes a decision on the procurement. Apart from that, we are also putting up our warehousing facility. So these alone is not going to help us out. The more engagement with our partners, consistent visits to the customer will help us enhance our trust on our brand and also on the process. This is what we are looking at finally to make our presence much more stronger in Europe.
AMI's facility in Nesselwang, Germany is making immense strides in the European market. AceMicromatic will be exhibiting in EMO Hannover 2025, taking place in Germany. So make sure to use this as an opportunity to visit the Nesselwang facility as well.